Hey everyone, my name is Chris Green. I'm just recently going through some modifications to my Telecaster, which you may see in the background there or so. When I'm doing modifications, I regularly need some wire. And so this particular wire comes in 3 different colors, all bundled together. You've got yellow, you've got white, and then you've got this bluish, possibly blackish color. Now, the great thing about this is you can certainly use it however you want. This is very much familiar to those of you who are used to working on guitar pickups and stuff. They very much have a cloth insulation on the outside, so all you have to do whenever it comes time to messing with the cables is just push the cloth back and you'll reveal that inner cable or wire. So you can take that, of course, and block my face here. You can take that tip and you can insert it into whatever sort of pickup position or wherever you need to make a solder. It's just really handy to have a bunch of this. Now, when I'm using this, I am using a solderless connection or electronic set from Obsidian wire, so this is super handy. But I also just use it when I need an extra ground wire. If I'm just doing simple component kind of stuff, if I just need to pull out some ground wire, I'll just pull out a few inches or so, snip it off at one end, use it for what I need it to, and then I'm good to go. So it's just nice to have some nice quality cable laying around. Highly recommend it if you're somebody working on guitars or just basic electronic stuff in your home. If you're interested in picking up this wire, I do have a link in the description of this video so you can purchase it for yourself. That is an affiliate link. It won't cost you a penny extra, but it goes a long way to support the channel. Thanks for watching.